Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a website for free, so let's get into it.
Hey, my name Alicia. It's really nice to meet ya. Sub to the channel, I'm not gonna disappoint. I'm here to please ya. I got vlogs, challenges, mukbangs, and pranks dropping every week. If you stay tuned and hit the bell, you won't ever miss a beat. That's Alicia World checking in, yeah, yeah. That's Alicia World checking in, yeah, yeah. Make sure to hit that sub button, make sure you hit that bell, cause it go ring, 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 just like myself. It's Alicia World checking in, yeah, yeah.
So let's go. And how do you get to this website? You go to your Google account. Let's try this again. You go to your Google, the tabs over here, Google Apps, and you go all the way down. And you're going to click Browse All Products. And you want to come down to this thing called Sites. And click it. All right. So Google Sites is a great place to start. If you are trying to get something, I would say not clothing brand related or anything. Let's say you're not selling something. Let's say you want to make a portfolio. Okay? You want to make a portfolio for your artwork or maybe even services that you offer, and you want people to go to a website to see everything, not to purchase, but just to see and maybe contact, right? I would definitely go with Google Sites. So I've made a couple of Google Sites and posted them for class projects. It worked very good. If we go over here to portfolio, I'm going to show you how I would go about like putting everything together. So you come to this page. So let's say I'm an artist, right? And I make canvases or something. I'm going to just call this Art Canva. All right. So let's say my brand is called Art Canva, and I make canvases, and I want people to get with me. You know what I'm saying? Tell me what y'all want. You know, get some inquiries going. So right here, oops, I will go ahead and put like my title, and let's get that like a boldish color, and I'm gonna make this color like, let me see. We're going to make it, no, that's too bright. I'll just keep it like this. So let's say we're going to make like a modern type picture. And let's say you want to get rid of this. You have the option to crop it, uncrop it, insert a link, or trash it. So that is my title. If you go over here, you have this section called themes. I really love this because you can make a custom theme, or you can go with like whatever's down here. I'm going to go with this diplomat just because it looks like really nice and formal. And I'm going to actually, let's see. I'm going to change my font color to maybe like that color, yeah. All right. So I'm going to say artwork. And then I'm going to do something like this. And let's change this to like black. Now let's change it to white. It'll probably look better white. All right, so cool. Art Canva. And then this is artwork. And let's say you want to incorporate like pictures and stuff. You can put those right here. And then down here it says get touch at, and just put your email address like right there. And then you can just add, it's like so much you can add. You have an about page where you can put like your picture with a little section that says like who you are, what makes you stand out, what makes you different, what is like your job goals and future goals. Then you can also include like people you work with, your work experience. This is a project page. But normally in websites, I like to normally put an about page, Well, of course, the home page. I like an about page. For my about page, I normally talk about who I am and what is my purpose, or what brand I'm like working for and what is their purpose. But it's very important that you incorporate a purpose, because I'm telling y'all, it's been so many people's websites, newer like clothing brands and stuff, and they don't go over like, oh, this is our purpose. This is what we want to do to make change. It's like you can tell that people are definitely only about money because they just want you to buy. And that's not always the case. So I think if you want to really make yourself stand out, definitely put something, that you're trying to make different, I guess. Let me go back here because I have a few websites, my own. I'm going to just go ahead and show y'all an example of, like, it's so many different things you can do with Google Sites. So I basically made a EPK. If you guys would like to see a thorough tutorial about me making an EPK, let me know. A quick definition of an EPK in my opinion. So an EPK is an artist electronic press kit. So this is like, I think back in the day they probably had paper press kits, like paperwork and like brochures about artists. But I think now it's best to keep it electronic online because it's quicker to get to, and you can put so much with it. I can basically put everything about myself on here. So as an artist, meaning like my music, this is very important. If I was to talk to potential people from businesses or labels, which I'm not signing to no label ever. But I'm saying if I was to talk to somebody who wanted to learn a little bit more about me, I could do that by just giving them the link. So at the top, I have my logo. Right here, I have a little title. I got a home section. My about me is actually called The Journey because I wanted to make it more personal. And then I have projects and platforms. So for home, I just got my name, Alicia's World. And then it says latest music, Alicia's World, Lord I Made It. This used to be my Lord I Made It video. But as y'all know, I took Lord I Made It off of my personal channel and I put it onto Alicia's World Music. So I'm just going to have to go back in and add this here, which I can probably do right now. So let me go ahead and do that really quick, y'all. All right. Okay, so let me go over here. And what I would do is just go to my channel and click my video. Click that, copy, and paste the URL. And you insert it right here, as you can see. All right, let's go back. All right, so cool. I just added it. As you can see, it's my YouTube video. Lord, I Made It. That's my latest music, and that's a single. And so when people come, they can, click and listen to my music. And if they like it, they can definitely go and click subscribe, or they can check me out on YouTube. So that's great. I got the nice little description section. If you would like to read this, you can definitely check out my site. I'll have it in my description because I think this is really nice. Down here, I got something called vlog series, meaning whenever I have a vlog that has to do with me as an artist, it will be right here. So y'all can check that out. And then down here, it says contact and social medias. Email for artist inquiries only. Do not email this email if you're not trying to get informed about music. So anything that has to do about me as an artist, this is the section where people can find that information. And then I have an Instagram and YouTube click link. Now let's go up here to the top to Journey. So I got a little picture area. And then down here, it basically is a little information about who I am as an artist. Not about me. Oh, I got all these accomplishments and stuff. This is telling me what I'm doing music for. Projects. So whenever I have a song that drops, I will put it on this page. So as you can see, Lord, I made it. And then it says the reason why, when I released this song and why I released it. So that's why I'm going to always upload that to here. And then the last one is platforms. And I made a link that has all of my different platforms. Yeah, so you can come on here and check me out on there as well. But yeah, so do y'all see how, all this stuff you can be doing with, Google Sites? Look at this. I'm telling you, it looks like an actual website. And it's an actual website. Like, it's crazy. But yes, y'all. Like I said, it is very possible for you to get your stuff started this year. Check out Google Sites. So I'm about to go ahead and get out of here. Hope you guys have a great day. And we are out.
Yes, sir. Lord, I made it. No more sleep. I gotta eat. I gotta rise. I can't be beat. The devil is busy. No, he's scared of me. I love the hustle. I go out and get it. The grind is real. Might never get finished.